Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an arrow in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I create an arrow in Google Docs. In this document, at first you have to go to insert menu. Now press drawing option, then press plus new. Now you can see here a drawing interface. Now click this shape option. Now I insert arrow, go to arrow and choose any arrow. Now I choose up arrow. Now just draw this arrow to press shift on your keyboard. Now I change this up arrow shape color. Go to fill color. Now choose any color. Now I choose blue color, dark blue. Then press save and close. Now you can see I create an arrow in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.